My favorite part in the morning, you hear the birds chirping, guys. Hear the bird chirping. Oh. Oh, it's gonna be it's so pretty already outside. Is that a crow? Look at my flowers. They are blooming. I probably need to get more like flowers that I can put right here. So I'm gonna be on the hunt for that this weekend, and I'm gonna go get some. Because my pumpkin right there is feeling lonely. I mean, it's right by the other flower, but definitely I need to get one or two more or something like that to put it right here. Lay it right there on top of the rocks. Yeah, so gotta get going. I'm going to work again soon. Pretty. Sun is coming out that way. See? All right, gotta go.